In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a QR code in Google Sheets. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Open a Google Sheet. Select a cell where you want to make the QR. Then, copy this code from the description. Paste the code in the selected cell, and your QR will be made. At the end of the code, you can edit the cell number, and the QR code will be made for the same data. There you have it. Making a QR code in Google Sheets is that easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.